This was the easiest wig install I have ever done. Glueless units have me in a chokehold right now, and this one right here might be the best one I've tried so far. So the hair that I'm wearing today is from Ashimary, and it came with lots of goodies, which I love. It even came with some cute Halloween accessories, a nightgown, and a robe. So I will definitely be putting all of these to use. And when they say that this is a wear and go unit, y'all, they literally meant it. Look at how good this lace looks. Also, the hair was super soft and defined. And this is their 4x4 lace closure deep wave wig in 26 inches. And this is 180% density. And it comes with adjustable straps so that you can secure it as tightly as you need to. They also give you some clips that you can sew in if you'd like some additional security. All of the information for this hair will be in my description box. Now let's go ahead and get into the install. So I did decide to go ahead and just tint the lace. I just used some lace tinting spray that I got from the beauty supply store, applied that to the lace of the wig, and then I applied a wig cap and used more of that lace tinting spray just to get everything to blend nice and seamlessly. And before applying the wig, I did just go ahead and adjust the adjustable strap to my liking to make sure that it was nice and tight and secure. Then I went ahead and put the wig on. And like I was saying, y'all, this wig is truly like wear and go. Like, you can just throw this wig on, put you some water in it, maybe some foaming mousse, and be out the door. I'm gonna go ahead and just use my hot comb to just make sure the perimeter of the hair is laying nice and flat. So I just took a little water, some mousse like I was saying, and just took that hot comb and just laid all of the hair down. Now that I'm done laying the hair down, I'm just going to go in and define the curls. And to do this, I use pretty much the same products. I use some water, I use moisturizer, and the foaming mousse just to lock in the curls. And y'all, I was in love with how the curls were turning out. This hair is super pretty and I love how full it is. Like I said, it's 180% density. It's just gorgeous. This will definitely be one of my go-to wigs. After I finished defining the curls, I went in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal and I just put that on the part just to further blend everything in. This step is definitely optional. You don't have to do this, but I just like adding a little concealer for extra little pop. And this is how my hair looks after everything is done. As you guys can see, the curls are popping. This unit is so pretty. Like I said, this will definitely be one of my go-tos. I love me an easy install. Anything that takes minimal effort to install, like, sign me up. And I didn't have to use any glue or anything like that. This is 100% glueless. And again, this hair is from Ashimary, and this is their 4x4 lace closure deep wave wig in 26 inches, and it's 180% density. I will have all of the information for this hair down in my description box, so definitely check that out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.